Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the physical connection. Use a data-capable USB cable and plug your phone into the computer. Once connected, unlock the phone and swipe down to open USB options. Choose File Transfer or MTP. This lets your computer see the phone like a drive. If Windows asks, install the driver. On Mac OS, use Android File Transfer. Make sure the screen stays on and the phone remains unlocked. Otherwise, the PC will lose access and transfers will stop. Once your phone appears in the file manager, treat it like a flash drive. Open internal storage or SD card and drag files over. You can copy entire folders. For large transfers, monitor progress and avoid interrupting power or the screen lock. If you need two-way use, create a dedicated folder named Flash or Transfer to keep things organized. If speed matters, use USB 3. 0 ports and a good cable. Slower ports will make large copies take much longer. To finish, close file windows and use the computer's Safe Eject or Safely Remove Hardware option, then unplug the cable. If the phone vanishes mid-transfer, reconnect and reselect File Transfer. Don't panic. Most issues are cable or port related. If problems persist, try another cable or USB port, reboot the phone, and enable USB debugging and developer options only as a last resort to diagnose connection problems. This one troubleshooting tip solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.